So this is my latest little experiment. Um, I like growing everything that you can eat, and these microgreens are. I found them pretty easy to grow. Um, just got 2 trays here. I've got to get some more. Got one LED light here, but I just wanted to figure out what I was doing before I went and purchased more to fill up the rest of this rack here. This lot is actually chia. Rachel had a packet of chia seeds that were past their expiry date in the cupboard, and I thought instead of throwing them out, I tried to grow them, and pretty much they all sprouted. In this tray here, I have broccoli, tatsoi, and Brussels sprout. It's a nice little mix, sort of green but with a little bit of spiciness. The whole process is actually pretty easy. You can see at the end here I've just cut some off there and cut some off here, and that's a bit of a plate here that'll go into our steamed greens to go with the other greens. And as I was saying, the process is quite easy. I have these trays. These are paper pot trays from the US. They got one tray with holes in it, and the other trays are solid. So this tray with holes sits inside this tray. Fill it with coconut core and perlite, which I've just been buying pre-mixed in these bags, and it's pH balanced and washed, and it's all loose. I don't need to hydrate it, so I can just fill up the bags. Then I weigh out the seeds and just sprinkle the seeds all over the top. For this lot of broccoli, I think it was about 25 grams or something of seed, spread over the whole top. And then what you do is you put another one of these trays on top of that, and I have some pavers here, up here. These pavers sit on top of that, and it sits for about 4 days with weight on it. It gets watered in, but I've learned after doing a few tries just not to add too much water, just keep it just damp. And then you can just lift the tray up, spray with a little spray bottle, just to keep a little bit of moisture. Once all the seeds are germinated, then what we do is the tray that's on top with the weight, we flip it, take the weight off and flip that upside down, just to give a bit of a gap, and then the plants shoot up because they're searching for light. And then basically we put them under the light, and in another 7 to 9 days, depending on what we're growing, they're ready to harvest. Pretty easy once you get the hang of it. I've just watered these. I found once they get going, I put about 400 mils of water. That's all the root growing underneath there. And this one here, that they have strong root systems. I mean, when you start to pull these, you pull up the whole sort of bed there comes up. Yeah, so pretty easy. Just learning the ratio of water to use at the beginning, just spraying the top until it gets roots through, and then adding the water underneath. Plenty of YouTube videos on how to do it. And then we can buy the seeds. This mob in Australia called Seed Mart, they sell seeds in bulk packs. So this is tatsoi, 800 grams. This is my snow peas. That's 5 kilos, and I think it's only like $50-$60. You go and buy a packet of 50 grams of seeds for about $5, so go figure. Yeah, so pretty easy, and well, I don't know, I've been told that they're good for you, so they taste good, so we just mix it in. But yeah, that's my latest little project, and yeah, I might do another video once I get some more lights and get the whole rack set up. Thanks, guys.